guys, welcome to my channel with another tutorial video. And as you've seen the title of the video, while I upload the video is processing abandoned. The video could not be processed. What's the reason for this one is happening? Let me tell you. First of all, there is size. Okay, what's the reason? Let's search in the Google. It says I search in here process abandonment. Okay, I say here the processing abandonment error basically means that YouTube is rejecting your video. The video could not be rejected because of the incorrect size and format. It could be rejected if you use a VPN connection. Other than this, incorrect upload speed can be causes problem in the discussion. Alright, this means the file I have rendered is it's not matching from the YouTube the policy was they are given to us. Alright, so I will show you what's the reason for here. So guys, here you can see I have all done the editing my video, and it's really takes a lot of time because I have put all the effort to make the best render in the video. Okay, after all, if you go to the export, actually guys, I'm using at this moment Camtasia. Okay, so I don't know you guys which is using. The main reason is that the format which is it's not matching by the policy of YouTube, so you have to follow up that format. So if I go to the export here, I will show you what I have done in that's why it's not accepting. When I go to the export, I have done the custom settings. This is custom settings. Okay, so I have done the manually setting here, which is normally SD quality. Okay, so in this case I'm going to choose MP4 with up to smart play with up to 108p megapixel. There's various type of the megapixel here you can choose, or by share to the YouTube you can direct, but I will choose share this MP4 only for up to 108p megapixel. Then next, and I can type here actually we went to the Light Festival last year, so due to the time I am unable to render the video. So in this time, whenever I have time, I render the video. So that time I am facing, so I just want to share with you guys what I'm facing. So of course it's gonna be help this video and sharing this video to among you guys, so please share this video. Okay, then I make it to finish, then I have to wait until this finish this processing. Okay, so guys, after all this I will change in performance and also is render done. So open the folder, let's check it out. So I'm open 17 GB. So let's check the format. Cause I've been living life right like I just die. So guys, finally, as you can see here, I have sorted the issue and I changed the format, and it works. So guys, so always follow the rules and always follow the policy of the YouTube, which is shown on the the terms and conditions. We have to read very carefully and we have to work on that. So I hope this video is helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.